This stitch is worked on a multiple of 10 plus 1. I had 21 stitches here on my needles, and this is an 8-row repeat. The first row is just a plain purl row, and I've actually gone ahead and already done that. So I'm going to be starting with row 2. And row 2 of the pattern goes like this. You knit the first stitch, and then your pattern repeat is yarn over, knit 3, and then you're going to slip 1, knit 2 together, and then you're going to pass the slipped stitch over, and then you're going to knit 3, yarn over, knit 1, and then start over at the beginning of your repeat, which is yarn over, knit 3, and you're going to slip the next stitch, knit 2 together, and then you're going to pass your slipped stitch over, and then knit 3, yarn over, and knit the last stitch. Row 3 of the pattern is the same as row 1. All you're going to do is purl all stitches. And while I'm purling, I'll just tell you that I'm using the new Addy long tip lace clicks, because everybody always asks what kind of needles I'm using. And probably 95% of the time I am using Addy needles. They are my favorite. Row 4 of the pattern, grab my yarn here. I'm going to start by purling the first stitch, and then begin your pattern repeat. The repeat for row 4 is knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, slip the next stitch, knit 2 together, pass the slipped stitch over, knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, purl 1, and then you begin at your pattern repeat again, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, slip the next stitch, knit 2 together, pass the slip stitch over, knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, and purl the last stitch. Row 5 of the pattern, you're going to knit the first stitch, and then purl 9, and knit 1, and again purl 9, and you will be knitting the last stitch. For row 6, you purl the first stitch and then begin your pattern repeat. It's knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, slip the next stitch, knit 2 together, pass the slip stitch over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, purl 1, and repeat. Knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, slip the next stitch, knit 2 together, pass slip stitch over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, and purl the last stitch. Row 7 of the pattern is the same as row 5. You start by knitting 1, and then your repeat is purl 9, knit 1, and repeat, purl 9, and knit the last stitch. Row 8 of our pattern. I'm going to start by purling the first stitch. Then the repeat is knit 3, yarn over, slip the next stitch, knit 2 together, pass the slip stitch over, yarn over, knit 3, purl 1, and repeat, knit 3, yarn over, slip the next stitch, knit 2 together, pass the slipped stitch over, yarn over, knit 3, and purl the last stitch. You would just repeat those 8 rows for the pattern. And you can see here at the bottom there's a little bit of a scallop or a wave. When you bind off, it will be straight.